के बाद होगा ना वो तो
नहीं वो सेकंड रो से
बहुत एमिनेंट वो आ रहे हैं बाहर के कुछ
सेकंड
बहुत अच्छी अच्छी जगह से अच्छे प्रोफेसर आ रहे हैं। आपके फ्रंट रो में स्पीकर आपके पास 3 वो हैं। मिड में आपका फ्रंट रो में हो जाएगा सारे स्पीकर से
4 तो स्पीकर आ रहे हैं।
ठीक है। तो आप सेकंड में बाहर का वो कर दीजिए और फिर थर्ड से इन हाउस फैकल्टी
सेकंड थर्ड में बाहर की फैकल्टी
ऑल्सो एक और बात, ऊपर वो बोर्ड्स लग गए ना, कौन से वो सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट वाला
टेबल्स बाहर की जो होंगी उनका थोड़ा वो ध्यान रखना कि उनको बैठने के लिए ढंग से जगह मिल जाए क्योंकि समय वेरी लिमिटेड।
तो ऐसे करते हैं ना जो मतलब फर्स्ट वाले स्पीकर
Hi, happy Valentine's Day and see my luck. आज Valentine's Day है and still I have to do this. But then it's okay. I'm on the ed board. I have to write a formal report on whatever is happening today, and not a love letter, a formal report. Bye. Happy Valentine's. God kill me. Seriously,
I am supposed to escort, this lady, Chitra Ramakrishna today.
who's on Wikipedia, and I was reading her up.
मरेगी मेरा. I know shit about
And if she
National Stock
asks me any question, I don't know
by the way,
anything.
Chitra
I'm clueless.
Ramakrishna is the CEO and MD of National Stock Exchange. मरेगी. सुनो ये सेंसर्ड होना चाहिए.
पक्का सबटाइटल भी मिलेगा इसका।
इसका सबटाइटल मिलेगा।
सेंसर चाहिए. जो कहता है.
यही टेबल्स पे सर्व होएगा।
तो मुझे आइडिया देता है।
आई हैव नो क्लू, ऊपर मैं अंदर को नहीं गई हूँ। कौन सा
सबसे ऊपर है
असावा ठीक है। अरे मुझे कुछ ये वाले पहले छोटा वाला शेड्यूल है, अच्छा वाला है तो ये वाली
तो निकल गए।
So आज 14th Feb. What's the plan for today?
Nothing special. We are having such a great thing. Nothing can be more important than this.
Really?
Yeah.
तो क्यों अपना वो खोल रहा है?
फिल किया गया है, लेकिन मॉरिस का रीशेड्यूल किया गया, अभी तक आया नहीं है हमारे पास। मॉरिस आए बट उनका रीशेड्यूल हुआ है। टी राममोहन का कल होगा। हाँ मोहंती तो डायरेक्ट था।
बॉबी श्रीनिवासन ने डॉक्टर ना चेन्नई में मैडम है, गुड़गांव में।
मैं अकेली वॉलंटियर हूँ क्योंकि मेरा वो नहीं मिला.
ले लेना, तुम्हारा रखा हुआ नहीं।
दीपमाला
हमें काम चल रहा है, काम चल रहा है, मैं हटा दूंगी 2 मिनट। ये बात ये है ना, लोगों को आने आने की
बस करेगा अभी.
Happy Valentine's Day.
सेम टू यू. किसी और के पास
गेटिंग लाइट हो रहा है। Yes, at least 100 people should be there, no? And the person nobody is coming.
लंच के लिए चाहिए उसको तो
No, let's delay. Okay. So tell them to come by 9. 9 is there, no? Yes, sir. Okay, sir. So you give this to purchaser, sir. Okay, sir. I'll give. I'll leave. Okay, sir. Have a better one.
I am lost.
तुम्हें मतलब मैं जैसी ही गाड़ी आ जाएगी तुम्हें बता दूँगा।
ये बताना था, उसके लिए उससे कैमरा चल रहा है. कुछ बोलो, स्पेशली कुछ बोलो.
आज का क्या प्लान है?
कुछ बोलो, क्या करोगे तुम आज? गाड़ी और मुझे मुड़वाने के अलावा.
वैलेंटाइन डे मनाऊंगा, बर्थडे भी मनाऊंगा और तू विश भी नहीं करेगी मुझे, ये सबसे बड़ा।
पार्टनर नहीं है उसका, दीपर की बात हो रही है।
दीपर की बात हो रही है। दीपर ने मेरा नाम पूरा गलत लिखा है, एक जगह नहीं,
इतना बड़ा इवेंट
3 जगह मिस्टेक है।
प्लीज नोट अपने दोस्त के नाम की स्पेलिंग गलत लिखी। सब ठीक हो जाएगा ना। आज वैलेंटाइन डे है।
पता चल जाएगा, 10
वो नहीं,
बजे
कौन
के
वो?
10-15 के।
चित्रा वो आएगी पहले। हम
मैं स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के अलावा कोई मिल नहीं रहा था मुझे देने के लिए।
एक ही लेडी आ रही थी और जेंट्स के साथ में सर ने मना कर दिया था कि किसी भी लड़की को रास्ते
कैमरा सुना दिया।
हाँ ये सही है।
तुम लकी हो जो तुम्हें मिल रहा है, बहुत सी लड़कियाँ आती हैं।
हाँ मेरी जान, तुम जो हो ना उसको लेकर दूसरे पर भी फोकस करो, वरना वीडियो में सिर्फ हम, मैं या रति या ऐसी लोग ही फीचर कर रहे होंगे। ट्राई आउट
समथिंग न्यू।
कन्हैया
भाटिकर साथ में आते हैं ना।
विमल के पास जाओ, लेके चलो। वैलेंटाइन डे विश करते आजा विमल।
पीछे पीछे नहीं रहना।
अरे दिस इज विमल, अमित।
मालूम है, पहचानता हूँ।
मैं कैमरा से इंट्रोड्यूस करा रही हूँ। कम ऑन डूड, चलो इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ टू द कैमरा।
क्या इंट्रोड्यूस करना?
वीडियो बन रही है कॉन्फ्रेंस के लिए।
Hi, my name is Amit. I am from Agribusiness. Part 2, yeah? We're in part 2 now.
हाँ।
Yeah, I'm in part 2.
ये सोचना पड़ेगा
And
तुझे।
this conclave, I think, agriculture, manufacturing, banking, this is
Whoa.
a good concept, I think. And
कितने टर्म्स कहाँ से
I'm
लाए?
really proud of the students who have made this possible, you know.
मुझे लगा मेरे से आए कर रही है।
हाँ हाँ, तुम्हें तो ऐसे ही लगेगा। बोलो बोलो, कुछ
क्या
तो बोलो विमल।
क्या बोलूं?
Adorn the camera with your presence. Do that.
Hi, I am Vimal Kumar Tripathi
Hi,
from
hi.
Jabalpur. I am looking for a good girl
In the conclave?
in the
Wrong
conclave.
place, dude.
Maybe some other girls
There are
find.
some external marks. I mean,
And-
लड़कियाँ also that are
There are many
Sensor चाहिए।
girls. I am
With subtitles.
see one
External
girl.
mall. Come on, Amit. Do that. विमल, come on, say
इसको
something.
कैसे बैठा दिया आज?
पार्टी तुम क्या है?
इसको कैसे बैठा दे?
तुम
उसको
ऊपर चले जाओ।
इसका तो बर्थडे, इसको तो बैठवाना बनता था ना।
नहीं,
ऊपर चले
क्या?
जाओ।
ऊपर क्यों?
ऐसे क्यों, मतलब नीचे क्या है?
अभी फिर रंग राजन तो आ जाए, अभी मेरे प्रेशर तक नहीं बना।
Please tell me, रंगराजन और प्रेशर का क्या रिलेशन है?
एक्चुअली कल से प्रेशर नहीं बना मेरा।
तो तुम्हें लग रहा
खुशी
था
है उसे।
रंगराजन क्या आने पता नहीं सर्दी की पोटी है।
शायद बन जाए। हिंग की गोली खा के आया हूँ। क्या? हिंग की गोली खा के आऊँ 8। हाँ, 2
और
चाय
अभी
पी
तक प्रेशर नहीं है।
2 चाय
Really wrong with the digestive.
2 चाय पिए मैंने, तो शायद रंग राजन को देख के आए।
और अगर तब भी नहीं आया तो डॉक्टर
फिर तो जा
इज इन द पिक्चर एनीवे।
फिर तो जाऊंगा।
जाओगे ना, चले जाना प्लीज, यहाँ गंदा मत
नहीं तो
करना।
कोई अच्छी गर्ल्स मिल जाएगी तो शायद आ जाए।
अच्छी गर्ल्स मिलेंगी तो प्रेशर आएगा।
हाँ,
This is something worth capturing.
कितनी फाड़ू माल है, अचानक से प्रेशर बन गया। वाओ,
और फिर तुम भाव करके उसे मिलने की जगह
Nice.
पॉटी करने भागोगे।
ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल।
मीट करना यहाँ।
कब आ रहे हैं?
हाँ, कोई देर में आ गई
यार सुन, तो वो वाली गर्ल देखा आई इंडियन स्टाइल, सीरियसली इंडियन टाइप की लगती है, फॉरेनर है, बहुत ही फाड़ू है यार। बात करवा दो। हाँ, तो 2 मिनट।
हाँ, बहुत जरूरत है।
अरे अभी
पॉटी आ रही है,
पोटी नहीं आ रही, वो प्रॉब्लम है।
मतलब रंगराजन को देख के पॉटी आएगी। क्या चलेगा? जगह नहीं मिलेगी, सीरियसली चलेगा।
हाँ, बस 2 मिनट उससे यार।
वहाँ बाथरूम है,
है
और इसको और
फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे थर्ड
लीवर
और मुझे और भी
उसमें
काम है।
गर्ल। ओह,
अभी जाओ ना।
Now, early set, shall I tell Hari to start from not all, but we are just and we will start. Hello. Hello.
That's the type we have given you also. Most of them are close.
Oh, yeah, many of
Close to
them.
them, I know. It's good to be allowed people to.
Sir, namaskar.
Different class.
No, when they showed it to me on the laptop, then I didn't feel like saying no to this. It's a good idea.
They actually played on their light.
Yes, and
It's very steep over there.
yes. And even now it looks a little precarious. I hope it holds for 2 days.
Right, sir, they have
No, they
taken
have
all the
got it.
precautions. They have taken all the precautions.
Don't ask.
Sir, that is a very cute. 3 hours.
संतोष
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is a very special honor to be your host here at Gokhale Institute of Politics and Economics, Pune, and to welcome you to the Economics Conclave 2014. Thank you for the interest you've shown, and thank you for coming here from near and far to take part in our discussions over these 2 days. Through this conclave, we would like to engage with all of you in an open and constructive dialogue about Indian economy, performance, and challenges ahead. Seen as it is, reforms that have been introduced over the years have unshackled the major sectors of the Indian economy, propelled growth, and thrust India into the league of the fastest growing nations in the world. However, the performance of the Indian economy has been under close scrutiny in the last few years, with the low growth rates, soaring real inflation, high current account and fiscal deficits, and an incessantly volatile currency against dollar, among other issues of concern. This economics conclave is a common platform for experts from different domains of the economy to lay bare its intricacies, debate on the entrenched macroeconomic fundamentals, and together suggest the way forward. I request our esteemed chief guest, Dr. C. Rangarajan and Professor Parchure to please light the lamp. I request Professor Parchure to present Dr. Rangarajan with a token of gratitude. him to deliver the inaugural address.
Professor Pachure, friends, it gives me indeed very great pleasure to be in your midst this morning. As he mentioned, I'm not new to Gokhale School. I've come here several times and I've known a number of students who have graduated from this school, and of course I know a number of people who are on the faculty of this illustrious institution. I'm happy to participate in this economic conclave, and in keeping with the theme of this conclave, let me also focus in my inaugural address on some critical issues facing the Indian economy. The Indian economy is currently passing through a phase of relatively slow growth. We need to address the reasons behind it, because if you want to get back to the high growth path, we must know precisely what went wrong, particularly in the last 2 years. But this should not
the delayed recognition or the lack of investment in complementary sectors, or because of the absence or the non-availability of critical inputs like coal. For example, if the project takes much longer time than was going to be invested, obviously capital would have been invested, but output. Second,
what extent? He said, 6% inflation, it can get rid of to some extent, but it's worth it out of
Questions cannot be answered in
it's very difficult. The way they will email important paper to some extent, and it cannot be incorporated into saving the investment.
So, sir, how was the show?
Fantastic. Good. Most of it, 1 hour. Continuously. Touching all the issues in the economics and in the particularly in the Indian economy. Good. That's why we need such kind of people to make our people more involved in the agriculture. You are recording? Wow. Okay.
Yeah. Right now we are done with the delivery of Dr. C. Rangarajan, and now we proceed with Professor Arun Kumar. एक बार दो क्या? So right now we are done with the lecture of Dr. C. Rangarajan, and now we proceed for the lecture of Professor Arun Kumar.
He has completed his MSc in Physics from Delhi University and Princeton University, and has a PhD in Economics from Jawaharlal Nehru University. He has been teaching at JNU since 1984. His areas of specialization include macroeconomics, development economics, amongst others. He has also authored many books on the menacing parallel economy existent in India. We are privileged to have him here with us to give us an overview of the Indian economy. May I please request the Chair, Professor H.M. Desarda, former member Maharashtra State Planning Board, to invite Dr. Arun Kumar on stage. offer Dr. Arun Kumar a small token of appreciation.
What a pleasure. I'm really grateful that I'm here to talk to you on this topic, and let me begin straight away because I think time is short. I just want to go for the organizers roughly, because I think they're running late.
No. You can take 30 to 40.
Okay, 30 to 40. So I'll move to the straight to the slide. So this is based on my recent book that has come out, which is the Indian Economy Since Independence, Persisting Colonial Destruction. And as the title itself suggests, I've taken a historical view about the Indian economy. And the reason why a historical view is very important is that tethers what you have to say. If you are ahistorical, then you can almost get any conclusion in economics, depending on what you are thinking.
So this is over now, sir. So tomorrow we have to increase the number of factors and three and in one of the communities
So you tell somebody to get it, rather than Vidas and same tell Kanaya or something.
We concluded our day right now. Just to summarize, we had Dr. C. Rangarajan as the inaugural addresser. He spoke on the on curtailing the current account deficit and focusing on growth. Then we had
Arun Kumar.
Then we had Professor Arun Kumar, who gave an overview of the Indian economy. Then we had Ms. Chitra Ramakrishnan, then we had Ms. Chitra Ramakrishnan, who delivered insights on the governance, innovations and the technological aspects in the Indian capital market. Then Dr. Ramesh Chand spoke on the performance and challenges in the Indian agriculture sector. Then finally we had Professor Sebastian Morris speaking on the manufacturing sector in India vis-a-vis the macroeconomic constraints, and we concluded. Cameraman Animesh के साथ D. Aniket, Brooklyn Institute.
More to follow.
Yeah, after the break, Thank God. He's happy.
Always smiles.
अरे आकांक्षा का क्योंकि फर्स्ट टाइम जब वो यहाँ आई थी ना पहली बार,
अच्छा उसके
आकांक्षा का रूम का केस चल रहा था, तो वो बच्चों के सामने के रो पड़ी थी इस बात पे। अरे वो तो फर्स्ट टाइम
He's shooting.
अरे यार
Oh, there's another counter.
Oh, for speakers only.
वो बड़े लोग उन्हीं के लिए।
अच्छा, that's only for
इसमें इसमें
ठीक है।
ये बार-बार बोल रहे हैं मान नहीं
আমার নাম পড়তে ভুল দিয়ে রাখবো নামটা কি
अनिमेश अब खाना खा ले।
Hey, shit. What happened?
अरे रूमी
ये जाने से ये क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहा है? इधर से मत कर। इधर लाइन इधर।
साफ कर दे उसको पहले।
उसको बोल दे वो साफ कर दे।
रमेश चंद
कहाँ है?
रमेश चंद रमेश चंद तो आज नहीं
खाना नहीं, सेमिनार।
फिर उसे आगे लगवाना इसको हमजा को भाई खा के ऊपर जाएगा तो फिर 2 बजे कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे? मैं करता हूँ हमजा आ जाओ
जाओ मैं भी खा रही
Hamza, this is
क्या तुम ये सब भी शूट करोगे?
politics.
हमें थोड़ी चाहिए, हमें नहीं चाहिए।
really happy to have Ramesh with us this afternoon. In the morning, Professor Rangarajan mentioned how important the agricultural sector is. And if agricultural sector goes well, there's a lot of stability in the economy. Today, the share of agriculture in GDP is declining fast, but the labour force continues to perpetuate in this sector. Labour productivity is very low. This, however, does not mean that we have not done well. Before independence, we had the Bengal famine, and soon after independence, the food availability was so low that the per capita food availability was not hand to mouth, it was called ship to mouth, because we waited for the ships to come from US under the PL480 program to feed our fast increasing population. But however, things have changed since independence, and today India is self-sufficient in food. Food production has increased from 50 million tons, today we say it's 263 million tons, so more than 5 times the food production has increased. We have also diversified our agriculture. We are specializing in horticulture in a big way. So Indian agriculture has also improved. So there are a lot of opportunities as well as challenges. And we are really happy to have Professor Ramesh to give us deep insights into this subject. And all of us have read a lot about him. And many people are asking me since morning. We are really eager to meet Professor Ramesh after reading so much about him. We're really happy to have him in person here. And sir, we really welcome you today, and we are really delighted to have you, and we look forward for the insights you're going to give our students.
Chairperson of this session, faculty member, fellow panelists, and my dear students. First of all, I want to thank Berkeley Institute for inviting me to this economic conclave, mainly because of the reason that I personally feel that I owe a lot of debt to this institute, in the sense that whatever little I know about agriculture, economics, agrarian economy, etc., I learned a lot from writing of Professor Dandekar, Dr. Veer Kanthadhat, and also both of them happen to be president of Indian Society of Agriculture Economics, where we used to have very rich debates. Sometimes I compare the kind of debate which we used to have in Indian Society of Agriculture Economics during the time of those stalwarts and what we are seeing today. That India speaks of how our institutional academic bodies are really declining. I wish something could be done to change that or to reverse that.
God is laughing on you. You're not benefiting.
Why is it not
Yeah, but
Ramesh, close the window. Bandit, you tell them to close the window.
Close the windows. बंद कर दो.
Yes, fine. Right, they have done its job. Now it is over. No. Captain, don't do anything now.
इसको यहाँ लगवा दो.
यार ये क्यों यार सच में अगर ये नहीं चढ़ाया ना तुम लोगों ने आज मेरा वैलेंटाइंस गिफ्ट क्या नहीं वापस चढ़ा दे इसको ऊपर. हाँ ठीक है इसको मिल गया वैलेंटाइन मुझे मिल रहा है क्या नहीं और बेटी को क्या मिलता है राउजी से कुछ नहीं पाउच कैली जब सबको दे रहा है तो मेरे को कुछ दे. हाँ इट्स गेटिंग हॉट एंड सीरियसली हॉट बहुत धूप जब हम बहुत चलो ऊपर चलते हैं. हम He's the handsome guy of her college.
Professor C. Rangarajan inaugurated the Economics Conclave at the Gokhale Institute, addressing on his was a general address on the Indian economy. He brought up issues of the high values of current account deficit, high inflation, and the low growth trends. His address was followed by Professor Arun Kumar's lecture on the black economy. His lecture was primarily based on his book, and he gave insights on how the black economy distorts our economic measures. And Professor Arun Kumar is actually going to follow up with a subsequent lecture on the black economy of public. And we had Siddha Ramakrishna from the National Stock Exchange talking about innovations in the capital markets and about how these innovations have evolved over a period of time. These have been the lectures. I do not know the purpose of this, so I guess, yeah, whatever.